Hey YouTubers, Rob Moffat. One of my most popular videos on YouTube is the top 5 noises your ceiling fan makes. And I think I know a thing or two about ceiling fans. But this fan, it's been making something that was driving me crazy, and I couldn't get it to stop making the noise, little clicking noise. All the globes are tight, the bulbs are tight, the fittings on the back are tight. I was getting ready to take the fan down and check inside, and it's going to take a long time. But what I did is, do you hear it now? I just tilted or twisted just a little bit. This fan, like all fans, it hangs like a ball and socket. And sometimes it gets out of place, or maybe it wears a little groove. So just by twisting it just a little bit, it resets and reseats to where it doesn't make the noise. Now, the noise could come back, but you just want to twist it again. If everything's tight, and also if your blades are balanced, don't disassemble the fan trying to find the noise. Just twist it just a tiny bit, and you can feel it like fall into place. And that should end your crazy noise. That it's intermittent. It'll get real slow, then get louder and louder and louder, and then it starts going smaller and smaller and smaller, more quiet. And if you're trying to sleep at night, you can get used to noises that keep coming and never go away, but the ones that come back and forth that are intermittent will drive you insane. So just give it a little twist and see what happens. Also, check out my video on the other noises that might be helpful to you in the future. Guys, take care. Good luck. See you out there.